Carrying capacity. Food, water, living space, and environmental conditions control how much life the environment can support. This is carrying capacity. Without a species to prey on, predators would have to move elsewhere to find food, or its own species will die out. When the population size of a predator increases, more prey get eaten and their population size decreases. A prey's population size increases when the number of predators does as well. Things that reduce the population size of these species include weather, human development, disease or parasites, loss of habitat, starvation or accidents, invasive species, and hunting or predators. Carrying capacity is like a bucket full of water. The bucket can only carry enough water to fill the bucket, and any excess water is going to spill over the rim. This is also known as overpopulation. Holes in the bucket, which are like starvation, disease, etc., limit how much water the bucket can hold because water is going to leak out. Predator versus prey. The predator and prey relationship is an important relationship within the environment. The population size of a prey in an environment will always affect a predator's population size. If a prey is abundant, more predators can be supported, which causes their population to increase as well. The predator will cause the prey's population size to then drop. When there are limited prey, the predator's population size will decrease as well. Here's an example of a predator and prey relationship between a screech owl and a field mouse. Notice how the two lines move with each other, showing how one population affects the other. Populations. Species depend on each other's interactions for survival. They all share the same resources because they live in the same area at the same time. Their resources determine the distance between each organism and how large a population can get. This is also known as carrying capacity. These populations within an environment may compete for food, water, mates, living space, and other things. When the resources become low, the competition increases. When a species adapts to the environment, this decreases competition. An example would be a tadpole transforming into a frog, or larvae transforming into dragonflies. Because all species are dependent, when one population changes, it causes the other populations in that environment to change as well. Abiotic factors are another influence in the environment. These factors, such as temperature, wind, and natural elements, influence how and where the biotic factors survive and reproduce. All of these things make the ecosystem subject to change.